Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've seen this little technique all over Instagram. So today I'm going to try it. So what I'm gonna do first is just separate my hair into 4 big sections, and I'm gonna just braid the 4 sections up. When I'm braiding, I'm making sure that the braids are tight because I want my waves to be tight. Okay, so then I'm just going to continue to braid all the way down until I get to the ends. Okay, so once I'm at the ends, I'm just gonna add like a little rubber band to the end or a little hair bow. I kind of tilted it in like a little circle like this, but it really didn't make a difference at the end. So once I get done with this braid, I'm just gonna go on to the next one. Okay, so to prepare for this, I already heated my flat iron to 450, which is the highest that it can go. And I'm just gonna apply the flat iron to the braid. I'm just gonna slide it down. And what this is doing is heating up the braid so that it can form waves um, in your hair. Okay, so you just want to do it to each braid, and the thicker part of my braids, which is like where it begins, I just make sure that the heat gets all the way through by just, holding it there a little longer. So once I walked around the house, got dressed, and let it dry, well, not dry, I just let it cool down. This is how it turned out. It actually kind of gave me a shock. I didn't think it would look this good, but hey, look at the waves. Okay, so as y'all can see, this worked out really nice. These are, I guess you can call them like some instant waves, like an instant braid out. But it's so cute, y'all, and I loved it. But anyways, due to the fact that one, I didn't want to take the time out to actually lay my closure, and two, it was really cold outside, I just decided to throw on a little hat just to keep warm, and it's cute. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.